Rest in peace!
So hello guys, today we are going to see the tutorial of how to download Visual Studio Code and use it. So let's get started. First we will open google.com, then search Visual Studio Code. Then we will click enter. Then we will open this first website and then download this. So I have already downloaded this, so I will cancel. I will open my downloads folder. It is Control J. Wait, sorry. See, here is my folder, so I will open this. Visual Studio Code user setup. Now this open, I will go to the desktop. So here we have to do I accept the agreement. Then we have to do next. Then I will create a new. Then I will minimize this. I will create a new folder here. A new folder. Visual Studio. You can name the folder as you wish. Then I will open this. If you want to save here, you can save here or desktop, anything you want. So I am saving a default location only. You can save in the folder also. So 306 MB spaces are required for this. Then we will go next. Then we have to untick this. We don't have to take this. Next. We have to take all this for all the five options. One, two, three, four, five. Then install. So it will install. It will take very less time, and this is my uh, personally favorite studio because it is very nice, means it is good. Now my Visual Studio is installed. Now I will launch this. Okay, so here I will install dot run run code runner. We will search code runner, or run, you can search anything you want. Then install this. So done. Now if you want to run Python, so we will install Python. I have already installed this. You can install it too. It is very good for using Python. And then we have to use HTML, then HTML here. HTML, CSS support. Install this also. And HTML snippet, install this also. So we installed all these. So it will help us in doing Python and then HTML and CSS. Then an important one, Jupyter. You have to install this because this is very important for running Python. So that is for today, guys. That is it for today, guys. Thank